Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Uh, my today's topic is adipose tissue and skeletal tissue. So it is class 9th biology. The third type of connective tissue is the adipose tissue. Adipose tissue, it is an aggregation of fat cells or adipocytes. Each fat cell is rounded or oval and contains a large droplet of fat that almost fills it. The fat cells are arranged into lobules and separated by partitions of collagen and elastin fibers. The adipose tissue is abundant below the skin between the internal organs, for example around the kidneys, and in yellow bone marrow. So functions of adipose tissue. First function is it serves as a fat reservoir. Second function, it provides shape to the limbs and the body. Another function is it keeps visceral organs in position. It forms shock absorbing cushions around kidneys and eyeballs. It acts as an insulator. Also, being a poor conductor of heat, it reduces heat loss from body, that is, it regulates the body temperature. And now another tissue is the skeletal tissue. The skeletal or supporting tissue, it is also called a supporting tissue. It includes one is cartilage and another bone. So it forms the endoskeleton of vertebrate body. Now cartilage. Cartilage is specialized connective tissue which is compact and less vascular. It has widely spaced cells. Its extensive matrix is composed of proteins and is slightly hardened by calcium salts. Its matrix is produced and maintained by chondrocytes. Matrix is solid, cheese-like and firm, but also somewhat elastic. This accounts for its flexible nature. The matrix of cartilage have a delicate network of collagen fibers and living cells, that is chondrocytes. Cartilage is located in the ear pinna, nose, tip, epiglottis, and vertebral discs end up long bones, lower ends of ribs and rings of trachea. Function is it provides support and flexibility to the body parts. It smoothness surface at joints. Now another type of the skeletal tissue is the bone. Bone, it is a very strong and non-flexible tissue. Like cartilage, bone is a specialized connective tissue. It is porous, highly vascular, mineralized, hard and rigid. Its matrix is made up of proteins. Matrix of bone is heavily coated with salts of calcium and magnesium, such as phosphates, responsible for the hardness of the bone. The functions of bones. Bones provide shape to the body. Bones provide skeletal support to the body. Bones protects the vital body organs such as brain, lungs, etc. It serves as storage site of calcium and phosphate. It anchors the muscles. So this is about this skeletal tissue.